Ebusia adia no ato anibre. Former NPP majority leader, Honorable Mensah Bonsu, on some of the high-profile ranking NPP personnel, Omo abekasa efa ensemo a, Kennedy Agyapong obeka fa Bawumia ho no. Omo abekero mu kire sebe Kennedy empacho, ompa Bawumia cho na small Kennedy Kyei. Aha Penyah blocking the mess was say any demo. Obe like video no other about subscribe button, somebody click notification and latest updates. Number to the wide and the mama e comments. Sponsor baswa. No as for so. No as baswa. No as for so on be ashe. So it was enwechi Ana Kennedy Agyapong eko PM Upper East. Na hono eno de the campaign eko. It doesn't campaign mu na say. Obro niam Bawku Mensah so say obo betima ayama wo mu is oka industrialization, farming, any other say any bros na in fact it makes sense. Eto asumu. That's because for sure, Kennedy also a business-oriented person. It's utie in Casablanca say or a business-minded. And name about bois or mining and cost what they can't call in Puntu. And no, and as a what can any so. And or you no nonsense man. Can you no nonsense man? Okay, can't go as man who didn't see Buna or be who like a Canadian could be a foul or about 2 keys or a Canadian. Now, Oguswa ebro near my power obetimi aya de aboa Upper East for no ene Ghana at large no ene obeti si Bawumia so because be kaya Bawumia koya campaign ewo baby na hono no na chama wuntimi ewo hono mo ana chama wuntimi e make comment be concerning adubu ahin
anyansa ne nimdie wo na nabokosem nie 1992 ye de ewura adubu ahin ane ye ne koye ye gitu mu say ya wene Anunti yakotro stolen verdict. Ana yama ya MPs ne so anko parliament. Nenumu yare ka nipa ho yade ya. Anunti 1996 aya ya running mate ono ano nana se ne wofa. Ne papa ne nana ana 96 ya twintonto ne kosi ne so. Yewura je ekofo. Yadi ye wraje kufuo koye na wo hwe Bema Rollins waba ye ku 1979 waba ye ku 1981 na watena so saa kwakopim 1996 na wone ne ko akansie ye koye ekoto abado na ye wraje kufuo na wanya 39% na duru ba bi abrabomu sa wo hwe ase a na nya wie ya no no abrabamu sa wo hwe ase a na nya wie ya no no especially in politics when you fail in the elections it doesn't mean say it's the end of your political life eti yamraje kufo ne yemra yasesa ma ye ho no e kire say ukom premienu a untimi nkobiewu eti yamraje kufo ne Rollins koye na onya 39% no na chesa lesson 2000 no onkobiewu.
Now this comment na chama want to make ya no ana menim how a video no esikoto Kennedy Agyapong menim se bia Kennedy enya hint se eye Bawumia ene ka kire chama want to say onko ka da asem na but Kennedy eba ya na wokasa no or address no he never addressed chama want me but he rather channeled the anger on Bawumia. Emoka say near delegate 31st January mama ntuma Bawumia kan nokre we liar because Bawumia petima kan say we afa adubu ahun that on kan nokre.
I've never seen a liar like our former flag bearer on earth. He's a liar. Said adubu ahun one contested because not oya. This man is a liar. Today I tell you he's a liar. You shouldn't vote for a liar.
And me catch say there be as my kind there with all due respect and Kyei because okotre enko we ne maku e ma pontre ne nko tuhun fifre isi awa wo hwemi sema soma bidiska ma se ko to ade bre me na wonam kwa mu eko na wo kodu obi atem e wo kwan so na se nipa na di atene bufu na obepe waboa me ametifi amesoma wo enya me no bababo mi o eye wo kodi na tem wo no bababo because me nka ne ho asem wo no awoka na asem eti no na bi mu ka se ene asem no eye ho campaign na eye Bawumia campaign entene asem bia chama wuntimi kaye no it is dim say Bawumia na ka da bi yen ka ne sa said ya wutimi dia ne so a wutimi eye campaign ema o favorite aspirant eka dia wo pe no sa no obi azutimi ka de wo pe enti no ense bia wo ka no you are responsible and liable for your words yɛntimi mfa wo nsɛm enkoblemu ɛsɛ okay ne mehu sɛ akwa we or support Kennedy Agyapong and no okobo obi asumte ne indirectly Kennedy and akobo ni bakras. We don't talk like that. Yen kan sa say bia wo support Kennedy na echina wakobo obi asum wakodi obi yire aso waka ne the fact say akwa we support Kennedy Agyapong wakodi obi yire ne de indirectly Kennedy and akodi obi yire. We don't talk like that. This is just cheap a loose talk. We don't talk like that. What does it? Yen kasa sa. I think Kennedy could have attacked Chawawun to me separately, but to mention Bawumia name and make it look like I said, oh, no one can say the kind of assembly there. I know there. Not respect on, but it was below the bed. I know there. Now, I am not sitting here to condemn Kennedy, no, but and some the Nyamian could win say, and your Bawumia kind. And let's be truthful. Young fat no cre and two no creda. Yes, so can young fancy Kennedy as an asher. By yen wada no cre no cre. A semono. And your Bawumia kind. Chawawun to can play video for you. And in some way, no, and the former NPP, majority the honorable chairman Bonsu, only some of the party executives, and the concerned journalists, oh, my bet you want to be, and some kind of candy, Yamian Mukred, on Bawumia, of course, and Bawumia, and the card.
He was ailing, but nobody, I never said that on account of that he didn't participate in the 1996 elections. I didn't say that. This issue was extrapolated by Chairman Woon to me recently, I think about 3 days or so back, and Ken has pounced on it. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia himself has not even spoken to it, but then he makes the attribution to Dr. Bawumia, which is factually incorrect. So it's like wherever he heard it from, but let me state emphatically and unambiguously that it's not come from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And even Woontumi's statement, Woontumi never said that Professor Debunking did not participate in the 1996 primaries. He hasn't said so. He hasn't said so. So I don't know where Ken is coming from when he's making this wild allegation against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. This fabrication and the launch of this spirited attack is unacceptable. It's unacceptable. And rather, he has proved to be untruthful in this exercise. Dr. Bawumia never made any such statement, and even Woon to me, as I said, who came and spoke to the topic, never made the statement that on account of the ill health of Debunking, he didn't participate in the 1996 primaries. Woon to me didn't say that. That's for the records. Now, the other one that he alludes to is to the fact that in the Bawku enclave, the recent elections, NPP did not garner any seats in the Bawku enclave. The Bawku enclave now has 6 constituencies. The truth of the matter is that we didn't have any seats in the Bawku enclave in the 2024 elections, general elections. But that's not the first time. Kufuor's time, even when he was a sitting president, in the Bawku enclave, we scored 0. Kufuor's time, we scored 0. So this is not the first time it's happened. Unfortunate as it is, we haven't abandoned the Bawku enclave because we have won seats there before. But when it happens the way it has happened, and you attribute the cause to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, then you are telling us that you don't even know the history of this party. Again, is most unfortunate. I will appeal to delegates in the lead up to this election. What should be the acid test for selecting or choosing our presidential candidate? One is the vision of the person, the competence of the person, the track record of the person, the experience of the person in governance, the character of the person, the humility of the person, the integrity of the person. Let's look at these traits to assess them. We are looking at somebody who has that mental fortitude, not to be lapsing into spasms of incoherence. They want somebody who really, we are not just looking for a flag bearer. We are looking for a presidential candidate. Somebody who has the experience and who has the competence to lead the party and the country ultimately.
Say about no ebeba so 31st nti omo bia e born toa obi e kasa say medical kan first no say Bawumia na no kana be niema senkanya adwan ojaye a e di ne besi because ensem bi e di kan popeye omo early stages ni mu bi afewutum say emeye enya politics be mo black koye beyond politics personal. As the personal ye town ye town ye de free ne so ye de akọ ne yere so enya many people how teach na wo hwa awere ko ubusa ho say edie na waye edie na Bawumia ye etime na make ka say Bawumia ujai sa de we eya edie ne besi nyame ama onu die ena wo pese wo de boa o man ena wo nam party so party ya wo nam so ya emiri bi ko gina court kokon to kwama wo mu asatam de na we hero yi ene ye wro ho abonten atwase egu ani mu ase enti e product so a entrava ko nyen go ase media kamene na kameja because and say sa time no ye papa se na no kura so ma kire me se hwan bu koka bibi e fa se mira ho na enye say ase so nye Ghana ni o se den e ma na enye kura sa se na metie ye ne ya pass na sa kwa me kroma na yiri nye Ghana ni enso ye de ne gwagwa ye ho se ono ne mampenya fatia fatam kroma ntidi na asi enaja o de ne na ma no de abedu ba bi o madu nti no ye nyina ti eche ne de ani hwa bi na ye be hwa ba bi esusu ade bode o be fa but de person ye ka kire o ne se do mo ye na o be wi abawo abaye campaign and sama kesi e bo men ya omo busui omo bewie asan abeka abeton ni pakro no e na magana fo e ba dan yato no ana omo ye ne sa so omo pe power
na bi na ogu mani ma siria o se onye
di omo yo omo ya ase ya se de tu ye ni tesi ba akofo so a ese ye mku no ye fa no go forever ye mu nani mu asem obi bo nyom eti brebre mi su brebre tetefo ni bi no na na kimu time no na ni bi won so bi na ya so dey fan go to forever no bra eti no mu ye no mu beton no edi no be catch
mo mo di ka say no
what is stroke
that's 2024 say a majority of words are can November 23rd elections
a message
NDC only rehashed it NDC said that fine Uko radio station bi ha na omo bo when say free telephone be attacking Bawumia and no omo bo ya
omo man ready a collective
omo try and I want
this obi ansoma
one man ka to be kasa
what to go tina de be wo yam to omo so ma ready pa e twa
ka ka so ma so
be eye se nipa no se Bawumia na benye o se hwibo to na benye o se ya do to na benye o omu wi asankofo na on beton wo mo e dia magana fo so omu to na omu koto omu so aba enti sam no mo keka no dos e so so do bra e bi wati ana o ye mahye anu odini enti omu mane mrafo na 35 je wa ha yaro edu awi owi obesi ama manzeti na ewu owi abroku no e na ba no so de ya to awi
for God conclusion.
Oh, for God conclusion. No,
there would be a for God conclusion.
God conclusion. Not it.
About to be. You see, our research be new number. Dr. Evans Amwa, Evans Dia. Osei Kennedy will win by 52.59.
Okay.
Dr. Professor Smasapo say Bawumia will have an overwhelming. Not just one day, 80%, 70%. Yeah, try Musa Damkwa and the Echneya. He's been projecting for Bawumia. But the last time, the projection that came was not good for Bawumia. Though Bawumia had been in the 50s. The last projection was 45, Kennedy 37.
Oh, by saying undecided, yeah,
but also. The president said previously, The prediction now undecided whom so now Bawumia is in the 50s. Now what the Bawumia about 45.
Hey, that's what it.
And a Kennedy in 37. Kennedy was from 19 to 37.
John Swaba.
It's any projection where the ever call. Or does it say any why who?
And you say on my say who can.
And now here's social media. It's about you and Kennedy Agyapong. They were records.
Oh,
So say the two Agyapong.
I don't want this to become a battle because here. The here say, Yemfa no kre entina party. Na me name Penifo no nante. I know exactly what happened at the formation of the party. And I make around. Yes, I'm sorry, and I'm kind. Me yet open. One will be able to say, that says me on my party $3 million in 1991. San no can when the video I mean here. Ni ya no you say say yeah aboni na wo ma dwuma. Ese me who say na no na for me no ka 1992. Okay, you have say ka 1992. I mean na me wo. In 1992 nobody could even dream of $100,000 to talk about $3 million. 1992 no come. Ono in the formation of this party, and the book here. This copy was given to me by BJ Darocha. Because we recognize it. The way Jao.
I don't know him so, but who knows what they do.
Also, no, only Jao. Me say, yeah, me call party contest. I try to look for the originals. So let me to me copies will be edited to her. Let me keep away. Now, ye campaigner, and yes, bu akutia. Me campaign me mo bi edi nye we na obebu samia kamin kan wase wona we campaign na wo se ye pese wo ka che delegates no se wo mo a woni e etu sa sei so on pese o mo nyon vote o mo kan kire wo de o maye e brakra o ma bo party mu na ono o ma okoji loan oni opon bi oji loan $3 million from Cal Bank 1991. I know kind. I was in 1992. Fine. No, the map party. I'm saying, I said, man, okay, 1992. No, on his own. So, Ekoma Dubuain, $300,000. Now, I'm saying this can never be true because Kwame Pinum Tiasi, on the in charge of mobilizing funds for the party that time for the campaign on the chief fundraiser or Tiasi. President Akufo-Addo was the campaign manager for Professor Dubois in NPP Refi. So, enti Mr. Menanam TV, so me call Prof. G many times, Mensah Kennedy Agyapong in 92. So, and in any case, time Prof. Oye campaign, and then you made the answer car no a video. Penyah me born the no young executive forum. Kofin team men ono na kope car free America buy na open top Land Cruiser those days no na Land Cruiser who be Ghana and apart from that na under military rule ni pa refi Land Cruiser na be $50,000 osan di sika 10,000 kan ho say yemfa ema penny no nto petrol na say at that time one will be $300,000 enka obehia car. And Timika said, no, this is something very hard to believe. And a prof sumi ni nupa. Ono, on pesika se. And to this guy command crop, because if I come and pay and as a farmer, penny be a friend ya unyame, jo nyame. Ne finance yes a tan a cheaper. Who this guy command prof, on who's teacher ni, on pedumase. Who say who this guy no command and only Fred Owari. Hey. I'm si Fred Owari de asembe na woki me mpese obe bank of dia bebe ba sajim ibia one on the form a second time because Cal Bank now wokan at that time na a friend Continental Acceptances Limited later on benya banking licenses from Cal Merchant Bank and sana ebedru Cal Bank all the emfedin into che Fred Owari no nya adwuma ho eye afaridonko. Me, I know the history. I lived minimum. Or if I don't go, the minister support a Dubois. Meaning is if I don't go, I catch over be able that I Betty because me Many Alanche Martin were the two representatives of the Young Executive Forum on the National Executive Committee. Those days, who the 3 million a year, yanti. And in any case, by 1996, uti Concordia affair.
Say Kyei, but
they $30,000 per. 4 years later, and no cry
campaigner, lose ya allegedly. And the Kufonia, a rigmarole.
Me see $30,000 and no cry a kudru court. Now, what 300,000 on the betcha 1992, and it's going to be $3 million. That's 3.3. And in 1996, $30,000 in a year.
It's sad.
I was just stating the facts. Apart from that, one man in Crawford at the AV2, social media near do. Because and no credit I'm passing.
The person is a mudos or
no. We are those who you know. No, please.
To be your crusade, say when I will set a records on the street.
Because obuye nyina nim tiakakra. Amin kasem bako. Osei ono party no young executive no mo suso ye bi America. Metiase. But no onye founding member because the list is there. Or can say we founding member. The list no so Masandi Yamos wahwemo. From year 20. Penyah no say any boss no Kwame Afram seed no. Ono de no a member. Only number 20 also. Kwame Usu only the name as the campaign manager unim no kra no. Ono na chairman of North American chapter no. Wache jako na secretary. Some of them chairman. And to me, I'm just stating the facts that has nothing to do with. I don't want the facts of the history of this party distorted. Because and then Kolana Abano, Munima de Cro. And Tiubayana, Nipa Binam near Kasana Nipa, Kansemwa Emfata.
Kwame Usu was the chairman.
Yes.
Yeah, Boachi, party advisor.
Yes.
Boachi Jako secretary. Dr. Samuel Amwako vice chairman. Eric Minta, treasurer. Upoku Ofuriata, Nanapoku Furiata. Koju Osei Akutu Edwards Amukra Charles Yeboah, legal advisor Alexander Ohene Mensah, Emmanuel Hansen, Charles Malfu, David Eduse Kwabranan, Ken Kofi, Frank Bonsu, Agyapong, Asafo Amo Akusi, Koju Afram Esin, signed by D. Ajenim Boatin, General. List we now.
That's right. That is the official list of who's the founding members. We almost sign we Bawku. And at that time, he can be a cassette. What between 100,000? Your Bema certificate.
100,000
CDs at the time.
CDs.
And those days, name is capital. Until now, you need to say the extra. Of course, no, this is it was even about $250. By that time, Sikan was doing share 1992. And no crime any pentimento. Miss Mehu said one of the people are not on also or first chapter in America. One cross any message. Say oh no, $1,000. Now others could be intimate. 250 no mutia. Any this certificate in Mao. On none didn't. But chief.
Chirawa Jomame, comment section. I Penyah Media.